Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do another cleaning video in my weekly cleaning routine series. I have this kind of new routine that I'm trying. So today I'm gonna share with you my Thursday cleaning. So I'm gonna put on a timer for 30 minutes and today we're gonna tackle, so each day of the week I tackle a different room. Today is going to be a bit different, like it's not just one room, it's a few areas, but they're just kind of tiny areas that don't need, you know, a lot of cleaning every single week. So I'm just gonna do the under the stairs cupboard, which is right in there. I'm gonna do stairs, hallway area, and then I think the linen cupboard as well. So those are kind of the main areas that I'm gonna work on today. Just kind of dusting, cleaning, decluttering a bit in there, because I've got a few shoes in there that I think I want to donate because I haven't worn them in a while, or I know we have a few that Victor doesn't fit into anymore. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through those and then just kind of reorganize a bit as well. But yeah, I started my morning just kind of tidying the living room a bit, which you already saw. So that's, you know, it was just a quick tidy. Yeah, so if you want to see the rest of the videos in this kind of series, I will link them in the description box below. But every day I put a timer for 30 minutes to see how much I can get done each week. So on Monday I do kitchen, on Tuesday I do bedrooms upstairs, like ours and Victor's bedroom. Then on Wednesdays I do living room, which I did yesterday. I also filmed that too. And then Thursdays is obviously what I'm gonna do today. And then on Fridays I'm gonna do bathrooms. So I think I'm gonna film that tomorrow as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna go start from upstairs and then kind of move, you know, make my way down. So let me get my timer. It gets so exciting. I feel like since I put on a timer, it kind of makes me want to do things faster. I don't know, it might be silly, but it actually really works. Okay, so 30 minutes. Let's go.
Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, middle. Strip it down.
Okay, so linen cupboard is done, and then I also did kind of the landing up here. So I'm gonna move on to the stairs, and I'm just going to take my duster and kind of go over the rail because it does get quite a bit of dust in there, and then just hoover the stairs quickly as well. And I've got, I think, 22 minutes left on my timer, so I just paused it while I filmed this. But yeah, let's go and do that. Okay, so stairs are all done. I think that's so much better. They were quite dusty, to be honest. I've got 16 minutes left, and I think I'm just going to go around the hallway, and I do kind of want to dust. There are some cobwebs, like spider webs up there around the door, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna hoover, and actually I think I'm gonna mop as well. And I'll mop the hallway and the kitchen too while I'm at it, because it's right there, and the kitchen needs a good mop as well. So I'm just gonna do that quickly. I use the Bona mop. I have the Dyson Hoover, which you probably already know, and I also have the Bona mop that I love because it's so easy to kind of replace that that little cloth thingy that goes at the bottom. So it's got the Velcro to put it on, and then you just take it off and put it in the washing machine once you're finished. So I really like that, and it's also a spray mop. So you don't need a bucket or anything like that. It's my favorite mop ever. I've had it for years and I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that quick, and then I'll see how much time I have left after that.
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Okay, so let me check how much time I have left. I have 9 minutes left. So I'm gonna tackle the under the stairs cupboard as much as I can. So I'll show you kind of what it looks like at the moment. I mean, it's not too bad. It has looked so much worse before. Like sometimes it's covered with toys here, but today it's not too bad. So I'm gonna take down the Jubilee balloon and throw it in the bin because it's deflated anyway. And I mean, Jubilee was a long time ago. So clothes are fine. I'm just gonna leave those there. I do kind of want to organize this area a bit, but I think I might want to go and get some more baskets. I'm gonna have a look at what's in there. I know there are some things in there that I want to donate. So I'll have a look, and then I have a few craft things for Victor here. Yeah, I'm still kind of thinking of how I want to organize that. And then the Hoover goes here. It's kind of the charging station, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna go through the shoes a bit here, and yeah, just kind of organize a bit, and then I'm gonna hoover a bit as well.
I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on.
Okay, so that's all dusted, hoovered, everything like that. I've just got my charging station there for, I've just put the Dyson. And then, yeah, I kind of have my cleaning bits here and the hoover and mop and everything like that. So that's all done. Okay, so my timer has finished, but I also kind of finished what I planned to do today, so I'm quite pleased with that. I feel like it does help, like doing this every single week, it makes it easier. Like it wasn't too bad in there. So yeah, I think the first time I did this, it was quite crazy and there were a lot of toys and I didn't even get a chance to do everything I wanted. But now I managed to do everything within those 30 minutes. So I do think doing this regularly helps a lot. So now the last thing that I'm gonna do today is just gonna go in the kitchen and quickly tidy up. I need to empty the dishwasher and put dirty dishes back in, obviously, and then just kind of spray surfaces and yeah.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5 with all of the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes.
Okay, and that is my Thursday clean done for the day. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this kind of weekly cleaning series. I would really love to hear your thoughts on it. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!